All right, let's jump right in. We've got a huge update from the Pi network today, and this one, well, it affects millions of you. We're talking about a brand new system that's finally tackling that big KYC backlog.
So if you're a Pi user, a pioneer, does this look familiar? Stuck on preliminary KYC? Yeah, I thought so. For so long, so many people have been just stuck in that preliminary status. And let's be honest, it's been a massive headache for the whole community.
So what's the deal with this KYC bottleneck? Before we get to the good news, the breakthrough, we really need to understand why this whole preliminary status became such a roadblock in the first place.
Okay, so super quick refresher for anyone who needs it. KYC, or Know Your Customer. You've seen this everywhere, right? In banking, in crypto. It's just a way to prove you are who you say you are. For a project like Pi, this is non-negotiable. It's how they stop fake accounts, prevent people from having multiple accounts, and basically keep the entire network fair and secure.
And this is where things got stuck. You had millions of people who did everything right. They submitted their info, they followed all the steps. And then, crickets. Just stuck in this preliminary limbo, waiting and waiting for an approval that just never seemed to show up. But now, things are changing, and what's so cool is how Pi Network is fixing this. They didn't just try to throw more people at the problem. Nope. They built a whole new, massive system designed specifically to smash through this bottleneck.
And the secret sauce? It's all about AI and some seriously smart data analysis. The whole system is built to go back, look at all those applications that were just sitting there, and reevaluate them automatically.
So, how does it work? Well, it's basically a three-step dance. Step 1, the AI digs into all the info and checks you've already done. Step 2, it does something called a liveness check. Sounds futuristic, right? It's just making sure you're a real person, live and in the flesh, not just a picture or a bot. And then step 3, if you pass those checks, boom, you get full KYC approval. The best part? No human validator needed for this part. It's all automatic.
And this really gets to the heart of it. It's not just about going faster. It's about upholding that core Pi policy, one person, one account. It's all about protecting the network's integrity and making sure it's fair for every single real person who's part of it.
All right, so that's the tech. But what about the results? Has it actually worked? Oh yeah, the numbers are big. Get ready for this number. 3.36 million. That's not a typo. That's how many pioneers have been moved from stuck to fully approved because of this new AI system. That is huge.
I mean, think about that. This is a giant leap in clearing out that KYC logjam. It's a massive milestone for the project and for the millions of people in the community. The long wait is finally over.
Okay, so that's amazing news for those 3.36 million people. But what if you're not one of them? What if you're still waiting? Don't worry. Let's talk about what you can do right now to get things moving.
So the estimates say there are still about 3 million users in that same preliminary state. But here's the good news. You're not just stuck forever. Many of you can actually become eligible for this exact same automated process.
So listen up, because this part is key. You might need to give the system a little nudge. There are 3 things you can do to boost your chances. First, open the app and finish up any validity checks it's asking for. Get all those little tasks done. Second, keep mining actively. Don't let it lapse. And third, just keep using the app. These things can apparently act as a trigger, telling the automated system, hey, look at me, I'm ready for review.
Okay, so we've covered the problem, the slick AI solution, and those incredible results. But let's zoom out for a second. This isn't just about fixing a backlog. This is about laying the groundwork for the entire future of the project. And this chart really spells it out, doesn't it? On one side, you have weak KYC. That leads to fake accounts, people gaming the system, and the whole thing losing its integrity. But on the other side, with strong KYC, you get a secure network, a community you can trust, an ecosystem that's actually built for real people. It's a night and day difference. And that is the end game. Having millions of fully verified users isn't just a vanity metric. It's the absolute foundation you need to build a real, working Web3 ecosystem. That's been the goal for Pi Network all along, and this gets them a huge step closer.
So that leaves us with one big question. With millions of pioneers now officially in and millions more about to be, you have to wonder, is this it? Is this the tipping point? Is this massive wave of approvals the final key that's going to unlock the mainnet and the real future of the Pi Network?